Boom, we had you right. Anyway, enough of our childish pranks. I'm Kate and welcome to Maths Boxed, a course you are no doubt eager to start. Not. Look, we know that not everyone loves maths, and I for one hated it at school. But like it or not, maths plays a part in our everyday lives, and with the basic skills, we can all progress further in our careers. Anyway, let's meet the guys.
And that is the story of Andy Dufresne. You like that? I could do Gandalf as well. My dear Bill.
Guys! Introduce yourselves then.
Hi, I'm Ollie, and this is Andrew, and we're from a comedy troupe called Victoria Sponge. Now, we understand that you're not total lovers of maths,
So we're not going to do any maths today, don't worry about it. We know you don't love it, so we're just going to sack it off.
No, well, there is going to be quite a lot of maths, obviously. Because
No maths at all, you know, no examples, no questions, just you know, sit back, relax, which is just no maths.
Let's have a quick word.
Hey, what do you mean? Don't touch me.
Guys, please be professional. This is a maths course for adults, right? Then let's behave like adults.
Let's say on average, 6 in 10 people shower daily. 6 divided by 10 is 0.6, then times by 100 to get 60, so 60%. Don't forget to add the percentage symbol onto the end of your answer. And bear in mind there are 10 people in the film crew here today, so you can guess which ones didn't bother to take a shower this morning.
The basic idea of division is to split something up equally. In other words, to split up, to share out, separate.
When asked to divide something, you will be shown either a dash or a divide symbol, like this.
Using a visual diagram, we can quickly see that 130 degrees Celsius is the same as 266 degrees Fahrenheit, or that minus 10 Celsius is the same as minus 14 Fahrenheit.
Mixed numbers are used when you need to count whole things and parts of things at the same time. Like a whole zombie, or maybe just part of a zombie. Perhaps an autonomous crawling zombie hand, for instance.
A mixed number is a combination of a whole number and a fraction. For example, the post-apocalyptic hordes of living human death. If you have 2 zombies and 1/2 zombie, you could describe this as 2 and 1/2 zombies, or 2.5 zombies.
Now, let's have a look at this lovely box.
By multiplying the 10 and the 5, we have calculated the area of the face of the shape highlighted in yellow. This then is multiplied by our extra dimension, 8, to give us the volume of 400 centimetres cubed.
It's super important to remember to write down the measure you are using, and in this case, it's a box measured in centimetres.
Oops, I did it again.
I played with your heart.
Got lost in the game.
Oh, baby, baby.
Very funny, guys. Anyway, let's start you off with a simple one. Multiplication.
Ratios.
Percentages.
Proportions.
Graphs and charts.
Time.
Estimates.
And other such nuggets of joy. That's it. You know your multiplication and division now, right? Well, hopefully you've fared well in the spot quizzes, and now's your chance to apply what you've learned to solve some problems in the first of 6 end-of-module tests. Hate maths? Love money? Love money? We know that lots of people don't like maths, but we're here in lovely West London to see if we can change their minds, with the incentive to win some cold, hard cash. And now I'm off to grab some victims.
So, here's the problem Andrew and Ollie have just so eloquently said they're victims. You run a clothing shop. Recently, your shop bought 80 jumpers for £7.50 each.
On day 1, Nathan starts with 10 gallons and ends with 8 gallons. 10 take 2 equals 8.
One's animals great. I love the cuddly ones, the fat ones, the skinny ones, and even some of the freaks. End of module test. Icons of an era. Oh, how I love the French. With grown men weeing in the street and a tourist focal point that's practically the same as our own Blackpool Tower, I feel quite at home in Paris. And while the Eiffel Tower was never even meant to be a permanent structure, it is now the most visited paid-for tourist attraction on Earth, attracting nearly 7 million visitors each year.
A census is when we collect data for every member in the group, or the whole population of that group.
A sample is when we collect data just for the selected members of the group.
A census is accurate, but can be hard to do and time-consuming. A sample is not as accurate, but may be good enough and is a lot easier.
Data is the information gathered, but statistics are the conclusions drawn from the data.
Graphs and charts are a good visual way of displaying data.